Think you need to spend over $1,000 to get a fun, reliable electric bike? Think again. Some of today's best budgeted bikes deliver surprisingly solid performance, impressive range, and features you'd never expect at this price. In this countdown of the 5 best electric bikes under $350, you'll discover which models offer the most value for your money. And if you want to compare prices or learn more about any of the bikes later, you'll find all the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Terrosor T51 Folding Electric Bike. You don't always need a huge electric bike to make everyday riding easier. In fact, for a lot of people, a compact folding model can actually fit their lifestyle much better, especially if you're dealing with crowded apartments, public transportation, or limited storage space. That's exactly where the Terrosor T51 stands out. What makes this bike interesting isn't just that it folds, it's how practical that feature becomes in real life. Instead of worrying about finding bike racks or leaving your ride outside, you can fold it down and tuck it into a closet, your office, or even the trunk of your car. If your daily commute combines driving, trains, and cycling, that's a convenience you'll appreciate almost every day. Performance is surprisingly solid for a compact e-bike. The 560-watt brushless motor delivers enough power to get you moving confidently through city streets and helps reduce the effort when climbing hills. It won't replace a high-performance off-road e-bike, but for commuting and casual rides, it has plenty of punch. Paired with the 48-volt, 10-amp-hour battery, riders can expect up to around 32 miles on a charge under the right conditions, which is more than enough for most daily trips before needing to recharge. Here's something many first-time e-bike buyers overlook. Charging time matters just as much as riding range. Since this battery typically charges in about 3 to 5 hours, it's easy to top it off during work or overnight, so you're not constantly planning around long charging sessions. Safety also gets plenty of attention. Dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power whether you're riding on dry pavement or dealing with wet city streets, while the front suspension helps smooth out cracks, potholes, and uneven sidewalks. Combined with the suspension seat, the ride feels noticeably more comfortable than you'd expect from a bike with 14-inch wheels. Of course, there is a trade-off. Those smaller wheels make the bike incredibly portable and easy to maneuver through traffic. But they won't feel quite as stable at higher speeds as larger commuter bikes. That's one of the main reasons it lands here instead of higher on the list. Still, owners often praise how easy it is to store, how convenient it is for everyday commuting, and how surprisingly capable it feels despite its compact size. If you're looking for an affordable electric bike that prioritizes portability without giving up the features that matter most, the Terrosor T51 is a smart option that's well worth considering. Number 4. ZEFIORA Z10 Electric Bike. Here's where things start getting really interesting, because this is the point where portability and performance finally begin to meet. A lot of folding e-bikes are easy to carry around, but once you actually ride them, they can feel underpowered. The ZEFIORA Z10 takes a different approach by giving you the convenience of a compact bike without sacrificing the kind of power most riders actually want. The first thing you'll notice is how confidently it accelerates. Depending on the version you choose, you're getting a high-output brushless motor that delivers strong takeoff from traffic lights and enough power to make steep streets feel much less intimidating. If your commute includes hills, or you're simply tired of arriving at work sweaty, that's a difference you'll appreciate every single day. But raw power isn't the whole story. One feature that really adds to the ownership experience is the removable 48-volt battery. Instead of dragging the entire bike near an outlet, you can simply unlock the battery, carry it inside, and recharge it in about 3.5 to 5 hours. For most riders, that translates into roughly 20 to 30 miles of assisted riding, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and weekend rides alike. Here's something many buyers don't think about until after they purchase an e-bike. Storage can become a bigger problem than range. Thankfully, the Z10 folds in just a few simple steps, making it much easier to fit into a car trunk, apartment, RV, or office without taking over your entire space. Comfort is another area where this bike punches above its price point. The front suspension smooths out rough pavement, while the adjustable seat helps riders find a more natural riding position. Add in puncture-resistant 14-inch tires, full fenders to keep road spray off your clothes, and bright front and rear lights, and you end up with a bike that's ready for real-world commuting instead of just weekend fun. A feature families may appreciate is the dedicated rear passenger seat. It's a thoughtful addition for short neighborhood rides or carrying a lightweight passenger when appropriate, giving the bike a little more versatility than many compact folding models. Of course, there's one trade-off worth mentioning. While the smaller wheels make the bike incredibly agile and easy to store, they don't absorb bumps quite as smoothly as larger 20-inch commuter bikes. That's one of the reasons it doesn't climb higher on this list. Even so, riders frequently praise the ZEFIORA Z10 for its strong motor, convenient folding design, and everyday practicality. If you're looking for an e-bike that's compact enough for city living, but powerful enough to keep your rides exciting, this one strikes a very impressive balance. Number 3. AIRWEST T26Y Adult Electric Bike. Here's where the list starts separating good commuter bikes from genuinely versatile e-bikes. If you've been looking for something that can handle your weekday commute but still be fun enough for weekend trail rides, the AIRWEST T26Y makes a very convincing case. It's one of those bikes that feels like it was designed for riders who don't want to be limited to just one type of adventure. Right away, the combination of a 500-watt motor with 750 watts of peak power gives this bike a confident, natural feel. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or climbing a moderate hill, there's enough assistance to make the ride enjoyable without feeling overly aggressive. Hitting speeds of up to 20 miles per hour is plenty for most commuters, and it strikes a nice balance between performance and control. What really caught my attention, though, is how comfortable this bike is once the pavement disappears. The dual suspension setup, with both a front fork and a central rear shock, does a great job absorbing bumps that would normally leave you bouncing around. Pair that with the larger 26-inch tires, and you'll immediately notice a smoother ride over cracked roads, gravel paths, and light trails. Here's something many people underestimate when shopping for an e-bike. Flexibility often matters more than outright speed. The AIRWEST gives you 4 different riding modes, including full pedal power, pedal assist, cruise, and electric mode, along with a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain. That means you can conserve battery when you want exercise, or let the motor do most of the work when you're tired after a long day. The removable 48-volt battery is another practical advantage. Instead of bringing the whole bike inside, you simply remove the battery and recharge it in about 4 to 5 hours. Depending on how much assistance you use, riders report getting enough range for several days of commuting before needing another charge, making everyday ownership much more convenient. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Dual disc brakes provide dependable stopping power, while the bright headlight and easy-to-read LCD display make evening rides feel much more confident. It's also reassuring to see that the bike meets all 2849 safety standards and comes backed by a 1-year warranty, giving buyers a little extra peace of mind. There is one compromise worth mentioning. At a little over 56 pounds, this isn't the lightest folding a bike you'll find. While it does fold for easier storage, carrying it up multiple flights of stairs can still be a workout. Even so, owners consistently appreciate its comfortable ride, solid build quality, and all-around versatility. If you want an e-bike that feels equally at home on city streets, neighborhood paths, and occasional off-road adventures, the AIRWEST T26Y delivers a well-rounded experience that's hard to ignore, which is exactly why it earns a spot this high on the list. Number 2. UPlee GE5 Electric Bike. Sometimes, the difference between a good e-bike and a great one isn't about going faster, it's about making everyday riding feel effortless. That's exactly why the UPlee GE5 sits so close to the top of this list. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with flashy features. Instead, it focuses on the things you'll actually notice every time you ride. The first thing that stands out is how well balanced the overall package feels. Its 500-watt peak brushless motor delivers smooth, predictable acceleration, making it easy to keep up with city traffic without feeling intimidating for newer riders. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just taking a relaxing ride through the neighborhood, it has enough power to make the trip enjoyable while still feeling easy to control. One feature that really boosts everyday usability is the large 48-volt, 15-amp-hour removable battery. Depending on your riding style and terrain, you can expect around 24 to 32 miles of pedal-assisted riding before needing a recharge. Even better, you can remove the battery and charge it indoors in about 5 hours, so you don't have to move the entire bike every time it needs power. Here's something a lot of buyers don't think about until it's too late. Comfort has a huge impact on how often you'll actually use your e-bike. The GE5 uses a multi-stage hydraulic suspension system that does a surprisingly good job soaking up bumps and rough pavement, reducing fatigue on longer rides. It's one of those features you may not appreciate during the first mile, but after 30 minutes in the saddle, you'll definitely notice the difference. The bike also offers 3 riding modes, giving you the flexibility to pedal normally. Use pedal assist for extra help, or rely more heavily on the motor when you want to save energy. That versatility makes it a great choice for both daily commuters and casual weekend riders. Safety and durability are equally impressive. The carbon alloy frame is built to support heavier riders while remaining resistant to corrosion. And the integrated LED lighting system improves visibility when riding early in the morning or after sunset. The puncture-resistant tubeless tires also help reduce unexpected flats, something experienced cyclists always appreciate. There is one honest compromise, though. At around 66 pounds, this isn't the lightest folding e-bike available. It folds for easier storage, but carrying it upstairs on a regular basis can still be challenging. Even with that trade-off, owners often compliment its comfortable ride, dependable battery life, sturdy construction, and simple assembly. Add in a 1-year warranty on key components and responsive customer support, and you end up with an e-bike that inspires confidence from day one. It's an excellent choice for riders who want reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality, which is exactly why it earns this spot near the very top of the list. Number 1. Toofly G26 Electric Bicycle. If there's one thing we've learned after looking at all these e-bikes, it's that the best choice isn't always the one with the biggest motor or the highest top speed. The bike that truly deserves the top spot is the one that delivers the best overall experience day after day, and that's exactly what the Toofly G26 does. What immediately sets this bike apart is how well it balances power, comfort, and practicality. The 500-watt brushless motor gives you smooth acceleration that's strong enough for everyday commuting, neighborhood rides, and moderate hills without feeling overly aggressive. Whether you're replacing short car trips or simply looking for a more enjoyable way to get around, the G26 feels confident and easy to ride. The removable 48-volt, 13AA battery is another reason this bike stands out. Depending on your riding style and terrain, you can expect a practical range that's more than enough for most daily commutes and recreational rides. And because the battery can either stay on the bike for charging or be removed and charged indoors, you have much more flexibility than many riders realize. It's one of those small conveniences that becomes a big advantage over time. Here's something experienced e-bike owners often mention. A comfortable ride will always beat a faster ride you don't enjoy. The G26's full-size 26-inch wheels roll smoothly over cracks, uneven pavement, and light trails, while the 7-speed gearing gives you the flexibility to pedal efficiently whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat roads. Instead of relying entirely on the motor, you can choose between full electric mode, pedal assist, or traditional cycling, making the bike feel adaptable to almost any situation. Safety is another area where the Toofly earns high marks. Dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power in changing conditions, and the ergonomic brake levers offer better grip and quicker response, helping you feel more in control during busy city rides. The bright front headlight and easy-to-read LCD display also make early morning and evening rides much more convenient. Now, no product is perfect. Charging the battery typically takes around 5 to 7 hours, which is fairly standard, but not the fastest in this category. Planning to charge overnight is usually the easiest way to avoid any inconvenience. Still, owners frequently praise the bike's comfortable riding position, dependable performance, and straightforward controls. Its sturdy frame supports a wide range of riders, and the IP54 water-resistant design adds extra confidence when you're caught in light rain or riding through changing weather. When you put everything together, solid performance, practical range, comfortable handling, dependable safety features, and everyday versatility, the Toofly G26 delivers the most complete package in this roundup. It's the kind of e-bike that doesn't just impress during the first ride. It continues to make every commute, weekend adventure, and casual outing easier and more enjoyable, which is exactly why it earns the number 1 spot on this list. And there you have it, our picks for the 5 best electric bikes under $350. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, buying guides, and top product countdowns. And we'd love to hear from you. Which electric bike would you choose? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.